Hey guys, welcome back to another venture, and today we are surfing some clean glassy waves and we'll go pick some boards. So we got, I don't actually know what this board is, this is Carter's board that I'm rocking. I got the Rocket Wide Channel Island with some FCS fins, and we'll move behind the camera. He is rocking this board, I don't know what it's called again, something monster truck, and the wax are very mounted, so that's good, and we'll head down to the beach.
Stop recording.
Hey guys, we're at the beach now and our wax is mounting off, so we brought some new one. This is a base coat. For you guys who don't know, you chuck this on your board first just to get it all down there. That's like your start of your wax, and then you chuck on this coat, and this one just protects it and makes sure it's like you're not going to fall off. It hardens it up. That will de-wax this, and then we'll get into waxing it and then get out there.
Sunrise paints the sky so wide.
Got the wax on the boards.
Every
Time to get out there.
moment by your side.
Oh my god. Oh, look at this. Holy. Wait, wait a minute.
Very clean and very big, and if you guys don't know, I've never caught a barrel before or been in a barrel, and they are barreling really hard, so I don't normally try to pull into them because I know I'm gonna just absolutely eat shit, but we'll pull into one, the next one we can find. This is the end of day one surf, but come back for day two. Okay guys, so we just checked the waves before and they are looking a little bit smaller than yesterday, but they look pretty fun. So we're going to go for another surf now, and this time I've got Carter, Woodham and Abdi coming with me, and yeah, I'll try to get some different POV shots and get out there. bro. Yeah, bro. Holy, these waves are so fun. But they break pretty fast, so you gotta kind of get up on it pretty quick.
Show your face and then put it in your mouth. Go, go, go! Should we go for it? Yep, okay.
And that's it for day 2. Come back for day 3. Waves are definitely so much smaller than this morning, but they're still fun. Same thing with Cade, but they're still fun. We got some small ones. We'll have maybe half an hour more of the surf, and then yeah, let's get back to it. And that's going to be a wrap for that video. If you guys did like the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment down below. See you on the next one.